The machine is made up of pretreatment tank, vacuum emulsification blending tank, vacuum pump, hydraulic system, pouring out system, electrical control system, and workable. When loading the material to the tank, the low-speed mixer starts mixing the material in forward and reverse directions, and the forward blade will make the material up and reverse blade will make the material down. At the same time, the scratch blade will scratch the material which stick on the tank wall. Materials are loaded into the emulsifier from up and bottom of the tank, and it will be swung out in the middle by centrifugal force. And at the same time, the materials will be cut into very small granules under the effect of emulsifier head and emulsifier cover. Vacuum system. It is made up of vacuum pump, vacuum buffer tank, check valve, vacuum meter, water pressure relay, vacuum pneumatic valve, water electromagnetic valve. At the beginning of the process, the pressure at the water inlet and air inlet is around 1 atm. When the vacuum pump starts, it will draw the air in the tank through a pneumatic valve, check valve, and vacuum buffer tank. The emulsifier will not cause any foam under vacuum station. The vacuum meter displays the vacuum degree of the tank, and the vacuum protective sensor will keep the liquid pressure in normal state. Hydraulic system. It is made up of hydraulic pump, hydraulic cylinder, reversing solenoid valve, overflow valve, upper limit switch, lower limit switch, discharge protection range, safety switch. If the emulsifier tank is reset and there's no vacuum in the tank and the safety switch is in this position, then upper and down sealing heads will start to move up and down. When the upper sealing head reaches the up and low limit, the emulsifier tank becomes too lean, and in the tank there's vacuum protection. Everything will stop in the current position if the stop button in the HMI is pressed. Discharge system. It is made up of discharge handle wheel, worn screw, worn wheel. When the emulsifier gets to the upper limit, forward swing the discharge hand wheel until the tank leans to the point that the upper is lower than the bottom. Discharge limit. And then reverse swing discharge handle wheel, the tank will reset to the normal state. Oil tank and water tank. The structure of the oil tank and water tank is made of 3 layers: upper half open lid, bottom sealing head. The bottom sealing head is connected with the flange type tank, and the thermal protective layer adopts PU form technique. Other components are a wave wheel mixing device in the tank, discharge valve and temperature sensor at the bottom of the tank, half-open lid, mixing motor, inlet and round thermometer at the top of the tank. After opening the half-open lid, the material must be loaded into the oil and water tank, and then it will start to mix.